make it heat. I use feeling. And then we take the one bundle of the Spanish. It's already been washed and hygienic, okay? And put here. And I prefer to cut the more tough place. So the root place like this is really hard to chew in, so I will choose to throw it away, okay? But if you like a fiber more, you can put inside your dish, it's alright. Okay? And I will cut in 3 centimeter to 5 centimeter. Okay. So you can see the Spanish, almost every Spanish and every size of it is like per size is like more same, like 3 to 5 centimeters like this, okay? And then now I think the pan is heat enough. We will put the oil inside. Okay. And do you know difference with the soy bean oil and the vegetable oil? Actually, still have some difference inside. Like you can see the food label at the back side. You can see the mono unsaturated fatty acid and the polyunsaturated fatty acid. Actually, it will like have more poly and more mono is more better than only like saturated fatty acid. So sometimes you can look at the back side and Google it, okay? I prefer to use the soybean. And I will put soy inside my pan. And we will wait a while for the oil to like hot enough, okay? Okay, do you see the wave, like an oil wave? Most of it, when you see the oil wave, a pattern, like a wave, it's hot enough. And at that time, you can put your, no matter garlic or something you want to like have a flavor, you can put it inside. But today, we'll go the natural way. We just put the vegetable inside, so no garlic today. Okay. So when you listen this sound, it's like very close to succeed. And stir it and wait for it. I need some time. So when it's cooking it, we can use the egg now. We use 2 eggs, okay? And then use 1 stick or anything. We just mix the egg like this. Do you pay attention? Okay. No pressure, no pressure. Okay. The color change. The color change. Okay. And now we check our vegetable. Do you know why the vegetable will get small when we're cooking it? Do you know why? Actually, because the water came out. Yeah. And when you smell the flavor from the veggies, it's almost hot. Okay? You see, getting smaller, right? And when it's getting more dark green like this, I think it's the time for putting the egg inside of it. The egg, put inside. And we just stir it. Don't stop it.
That's quite good. Smells good. Smells good. Smells good.
You can come and smell. Come and smell. And do you think it's like have to be more colorful or like flavorful, right? And this time, now we will put some magic inside. Soy sauce. But not too much, okay? But you can see the color now is like this. And when you put the soy sauce inside, and we stir it. Good?
I like it.
More flavorful, right? More delicious. And when the egg becomes like solid like this, fried egg, or it's like timing, it's good timing for putting inside a plate. No rice, rice in your bento later. Okay? And then look at it, still need some magic on it.